Hi everyone, welcome back to Life After Neverland. So today is our last recipe episode in relation to vitamin B6. So today we're going to be cooking up eggs and we're going to mix up some spinach and have a banana on the side. And all three are vitamin B6 sources. You can eat this for brunch, lunch, or even a post-workout meal, okay? And it only takes 5 minutes. If you're like me and life can get a little bit busy, can get a little bit crazy, and sometimes you're just so overwhelmed you don't feel like cooking, this is going to be great for you. These recipes were fun for me. I just wanted to cook up some things that I enjoy, but please feel free to utilize your own dietary needs. Mix it up, cook it the way you like it. I'd love to know which recipe was your favorite and which one was your least favorite. And did you try any of the recipes? Maybe you didn't try all of them, but you tried one or the other. I'd like to know below. Please let me know. All right, so wrapping things up, starting after this, I really want to start decluttering. I feel like a lot of the times with my life, everything just, I throw things here and I throw things there and I throw things everywhere. A lot of the times I'll just throw things in drawers and cupboards and hide everything. And when I open it up, it all falls down on top of me. So it's time to get my life back and I'd love for you to join me. All right? So with all that being said, you guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let your friends know about Life After Neverland if you're having a good time with me here. And let's get started with our cooking, okay? Here we go. I'm creating this recipe for both myself and my husband, so I have 4 eggs that I'm combining together in this small bowl. If you're only making this recipe for yourself, cut it in half and make sure you only use 2 eggs. I added the salt and pepper later in my recipe, but many people like to add that when they are mixing the eggs, and you can do that as well. Next, you'll need to heat the olive oil in a non-stick frying pan. Add the spinach and stir until it wilts for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, the recipe calls for about 3 cups or 3 handfuls of spinach, but I added a little bit more because I am cooking for myself and my husband, like I said before. It seems like a lot here, doesn't it? If you've never tried baby spinach, if you've used the frozen kind, which I usually do, it looks like you're adding so much to your recipe, but look here how it wilts down and it hardly looks like anything at all. Meanwhile, Castiel and Shiva are having the best time playing in some catnip. Now it's time to add the eggs to the pan. Stir this with your spinach and allow the eggs to reach the bottom of the pan. As you can see, what I'm doing here, I added a lot of spinach. I like spinach, but I needed to get a little bit more egg in there, so I added 2 more eggs. So you can do this according to your taste buds. Do you like more spinach or do you like more eggs? It's up to you. Allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and stir occasionally. Once everything is set to your liking, you're going to take that off of the burner. Once it's taken off the burner, you're going to add that cheddar cheese. You need 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese, chili flakes to taste. I would have preferred more cheese, so the next time that I make this, I'm going to add more cheddar cheese. It's time to eat it. See what the husband thinks. Taste test again to see if this breakfast meal is delicious. What do you think, Sean?
Wait, tell me what I'm eating first.
Well, it's egg, and what do you think that green stuff is?
Spinach or kale?
It's spinach. And then you got cheese, and there are some red chili peppers in there.
Is there a protein?
Aren't the eggs protein?
Oh.
So, and then we'll have a banana too. So you've got 3 sources of vitamin B6, okay? Spinach, eggs, and banana, all in one. It's our last recipe with vitamin B6, so here we go. Is it good?
It tastes like an omelet. It's really good, actually. It is healthy? I guess it is.
It is.
I'll give this one a strong 9.
I give this a 10. And it has a little kick to it when you put the red chili pepper in there.
If there was some steak in there, I'd give it a 10.
Anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
My favorite was the fajitas. And then this one.
All right, guys, thanks.
It's so good!